For software developers working with Shopify, efficiently managing products is a key aspect of any e-commerce platform integration. One of the essential tasks in product management is deleting products that are no longer needed or available for sale. Shopify's API provides a powerful way to automate this process, allowing developers to remove products programmatically without the need for manual intervention. Deleting products through the Shopify API can be a crucial part of managing inventory or automating catalog maintenance. Deleting products through the Shopify API is simple, but it's important to understand how it works and the different ways developers can interact with the API. REST API is the traditional, HTTP-based API that uses delete HTTP requests to remove products. GraphQL API is the modern and flexible API that allows for more efficient and precise queries, which can also be used to delete products. Both APIs support deleting products, but REST API is more commonly used for simple CRUD, create, read, update, delete, operations, including deleting products. Deleting products through the Shopify API is a crucial task for developers managing e-commerce store inventories. Incorporating Shopify API for product deletion into your development workflow provides scalability, flexibility, and efficiency, making it a vital tool for developers building customized e-commerce solutions. While Shopify's API offers a robust and efficient way to delete products programmatically, software developers may encounter various challenges, including authentication issues, rate limits, and bulk deletion problems. While Shopify's native API provides powerful tools for deleting products, using API2Cart, a unified e-commerce integration service, can greatly simplify the process for developers. API2Cart offers a single API that allows developers to manage products, orders, inventory, and more across Shopify and 60+ other e-commerce platforms and marketplaces, including Magento, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, OpenCart, PrestaShop, and others, at once. API2Cart provides pre-built methods specifically designed for tasks, such as deleting products, updating inventory, retrieving product details, and managing orders. This eliminates the need to manually write API calls for each individual platform, which can save you a lot of development time. For Shopify, API2Cart's product.delete method allows you to easily delete products across Shopify without having to deal with Shopify's native authentication, rate limits, or API-specific quirks. Contact us today and explore how to easily use the Shopify API to delete products via API2Cart.